No matter where you are in the West, no matter what the job is, from trucking and warehousing to agriculture, forestry, and construction, we have the equipment solutions for you. That's why we're here. At Papé, we offer comprehensive end-to-end solutions that keep your company moving, reducing downtime, maximizing uptime. That's how we help you get the job done. From sourcing raw materials in the forest to constructing the infrastructure of the West, Papé provides superior capital equipment for every link in the supply chain. With our expertise and cutting-edge solutions, we'll help you optimize your operations for maximum productivity and sustainability. Our team provides the tools and resources you need to overcome challenges and provide solutions for your customers every single day. The West relies on you, and you can rely on us. Papé keeps you moving.